What steps do I need to follow to convert my child's Google account to an adult account?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to be talking about how to convert your child's Google account into an adult account. This is an important step to understand as your child grows up and needs more privacy and control over their personal Google account. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps.
What is the difference between a child's and an adult's Google account?
A child's Google account is essentially a regular Google account that falls under the Family Link Management. It comes with several parental controls and restrictions. On the other hand, an adult's Google account has full capabilities and no restrictions, except those applied by Google's terms of service.
Preparing for the transition.
Before making any changes, it's important to discuss this transition with your child. The change will bring about more digital independence, but also more responsibilities. Make sure they understand what the new account will entail.
How to change the account.
Now, let's dive into the steps for converting your child's Google account to an adult account. Here are the steps. 1. Wait for the right age. Google automatically transitions the account to an adult account once the account holder reaches the legal age in their country. In many regions, this age is 18. 2. Transition notification. When your child is near the age of digital consent, both you and your child will get an email about the upcoming transition. 3. Accept the transition. Your child will need to sign in to their Google account and accept the terms of service for adults. They'll then be removed from supervision in Family Link. Remember, if your child does not agree to the terms within a certain period, 2 weeks, in many cases, the account may be locked until the terms are accepted.
What happens after the transition?
After the transition, your child's account will be just like any other adult account. Parental controls will be removed, and your child will be able to sign in on devices outside of the family group. And there you have it. Those are the steps and information needed to convert your child's Google account into an adult account. It's an important part of growing up in the digital age, and it signifies a major step towards digital independence. Remember to discuss this transition with your child, making sure they understand the new privileges and responsibilities that come with an adult account. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we wish you and your child the best on this new journey.